LeBron James, the first active basketball player to become a billionaire. When you take a look at these guys, the vast majority, 3/4 of his wealth, did not come from him playing basketball over the last 18 years. They all came from investment and endorsement. Over the last 17 years, his income in the NBA is about $385 million. And when you take a look at the investment, his investment in the Spring Hill Company is $300 million. So this one investment in one company is almost as much as him playing for 18 years in the NBA. The whole reason I wanted to take a look at this, so I can see the difference between earning and investment. Freeway Sports Group, $90 million. His real estate is about $80 million and $30 million for his 10% stake in Blaze Pizza, and $500 million cash and other investments. Guys, this shows you guys the importance of investing your money. You don't need $10 million to invest. You can start investing as low as $10. And right now, the whole market is on sale. You can find your favorite stock right now at 20, 30, and some of them even at 50% discount. One of the greatest wealth transfer in history is happening right now. Everything is on sale. Find your favorite company. It doesn't matter how much you have. You don't have to wait until you get $100,000, $10,000. Start with as little as you have, $5, $10, $50, $100. You just need to get into the rhythm of doing this. You just do it as a habit. Better yet, there's a certain way you can do it automatically, where your bank lets you do it automatically. You dollar cost average your investment to your favorite stock. Do your research though. But no matter what you do, make sure you get in. This just shows you. He's been playing basketball for 18 years. He's now a billionaire, right? But 3/4 of his wealth did not come from playing basketball, did not come from earning. It came from investments, and endorsements, just to show you. And if you compare LeBron James with Michael Jordan, the GOAT, Michael Jordan did not become a billionaire until well after a decade after he retired. He became a billionaire after his investment in the Charlotte Bobcats. Congrats to LeBron again. I'll see you guys in the next one.